Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can start dropshipping business in 2024. So guys, it's super easy. Just watch this video till the end and you will learn how you can start dropshipping business. So guys, let's begin. So first, I'll tell you about dropshipping. What is dropshipping? So, guys, dropshipping is basically you have a website and then you get some orders on the website and then you process those orders, and those orders are fulfilled by the suppliers directly to the customers. So, this is dropshipping. You guys can make tons and tons of money using dropshipping. You don't need to maintain any kind of physical inventory with you. Now let's check out the suppliers that you can use for drop shipping. So guys, first we have AliExpress. So guys, on AliExpress you have many categories right from electronics, toys, gadgets, even clothings and all. Even you have beauty products. So guys, you can list these particular products on your website, and once you get this order, then you can process. So guys, once you process the order, then the supplier, this is the AliExpress, they are going to deliver this order for your customers. And that's super easy, guys. You don't need to maintain any kind of inventory with you. You also have Printify. On this website, you can design t-shirts and you can list on your website. You can also have mugs and all. You have caps, then you have mobile covers and many more things. Even you have hoodies. So you can list these products on your website. You can easily customize these products. You can add your logos and all. So guys, then once you list on the website, then you get orders and then you can make a lot of money. So now let's see what platform you can use to list the products. So guys, the platform is Shopify. On Shopify you can create an e-commerce store. So guys, their pricing starts from, you say, 1499 INR per month. Also guys, they have other plans also, that is Shopify plan for small teams, advanced and even plus plan. Now let's see how your Shopify store looks. So guys, once you create an account, this is how your Shopify store looks, and this is how the website looks. This is the Shopify website of my store. So I have listed the products. Then if a customer buys this product, then I will earn money. So let's see how the products are added. So guys, in order to add the products, you need to go to products and then click on add product. So then you need to enter the basic details like title, description, then upload the images, MRP, the offer price, then enter vendor, category of the product, and there you go. And then you click on the save button. I'll show you one of the products that I've created. I'll click on this. So guys, if you see, there is a title for this product. The description is not compulsory, but you can enter one. Then there is the product image. We have the price. Even I have added the SKU code, and even you can enter the quantities of the items if you know, but you can skip that also and make the status as active and publish. So you can see the preview also over here. So I have clicked on preview and there you go. So this is how you create a product on Shopify. Then guys, when you receive orders, the orders will be shown under orders option over here. Now on this particular store, I don't have any orders, so it doesn't showing me any orders over here. You can check the traffic of your website under analytics. So whatever the daily traffic is will be shown over here. So guys, that's it. It's super easy to start your dropshipping business in 2024. And guys, once you create a website and list these particular products on your website, then you can promote it using Instagram ads or Facebook ads. And then you can drive the traffic from Instagram to your website. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how you can start dropshipping business in 2024. If you guys like this video, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications to my new videos.